What do we have here? That I know what that is. This is incredibly ominous over here. Oh, it moves. In front of me, like, I know I've got this crazy collab here. This is the Real Me Coca-Cola collab. It seems really fun. Anything attached to a brand like Coca-Cola with the tremendous nostalgia and the color and the font, and it just gets things going inside of me. This little tail coming through the loop, I'm getting thirsty looking at it. Glass Coca-Cola bottle being sipped with the striped straw. Oh, that's the Real Me cat in the Coca-Cola flavor. This feels light though. Ooh, again. Welcome to the Real Me Coca-Cola vending machine. Now I know what Mo's been hiding. This is no ordinary vending machine, just like the Real Me 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition is no ordinary phone. You have 3 steps to complete in order to get the grand prize. Why they always gotta make me work for it, man? Each item the vending machine has to offer is the key to receiving the next. Starting with this card, be clever, stay refreshed, and have fun navigating the maze ahead. Okay. Whoa. Definitely a vending machine. Massive Coca-Cola logo across here. A bottle opener, classic glass bottle opener, drink Coca-Cola. Some kind of a circular rotating, also a puzzle up top. The good old-fashioned, can you put the text together? Can you create the Coca-Cola logo? Oh. No. Oh, that's the second C. Coca-Cola. The Real Me goes first. Oh, okay, this is here. It's because it's the C is twice. Coca. What? This thing has to come all the way over. What is the trick with this? That you have to go left to right? You like these ones?
Ah, man, they're tricky. But there is a trick to it.
The second C has this tail that goes through
See, that's confusing too. I'm guessing you're right. This might be the first one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Okay, here we go. You have to like choose the one that you want to be in that position, and then.
Are you giving this instruction so that you can stop doing the puzzle?
Yeah. You kind of got to do the loop. Yeah, that goes over here.
Yeah, it is.
Here and this goes here.
Well, we're very proud of it.
We got this.
Oh, easy, bro. Easy, bro. Well. Oh my God. That was terrifying.
Yeah, oh yeah. That was very loud. All right, well, I'm done.
Don't you want your Coke? Wait. Oh! Oh, the cat has become Coca-Cola. Does he mean something? Oh, that's a puzzle? Thank God. Nubs? Maze pattern in here, and the only way to unlock it is to correctly sort of turn and apply pressure upwards. The guy that I retrieved here, there's little footprints for him. I made it! I made it! So we finally made it. The unboxing experience here is very Coca-Cola as well, black and red. They actually sent an extra one for one of you guys to win. All you have to do is leave a comment. Just say whether or not you're Team Coke or Team Pepsi. That's it. You'll get your very own 10 Pro Coca-Cola limited edition. Inside of the box, Coca-Cola branding. And this time it's this kind of gray-like color. On the other side, here you can see we have the black and red one more time. So it's that co-branding situation. Real Me style on one side, Coca-Cola style on the other. Check that out. Chosen the bottle rather than the can. That's the true classic. Oh, so satisfying. This is textured, the Coca-Cola branding on there. Welcome to the Real Me family. Here are all the special edition items. The Coca-Cola Real Me Cat, a couple different stickers, the classic Coca-Cola, the kind of superhero-like Real Meow, Coke in the bottle, Coke in the can, Coke from the fountain. You ever notice the difference like from each version of Coke? It's a little different. Everybody had one of those Coca-Cola glasses in their house as a kid. And then what is this over here? Is that a magnet? Which number unit we have? 8568. The first collaboration between Real Me and Coca-Cola ever, when a timeless, real taste meets a young tech trend, the most cheerful memories are revived. With a simple swipe, unlock the phone like unleashing your loudest cheer, join the party, introducing Cheers for Real with Real Me 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition. Look at that. It's a bottle cap sim tool. I thought I had seen it all with those luxury brands and luxury phones. This one might be even more novel. The Real Me Coca-Cola sim tool. Oh my goodness, that is vibrant. Metallic kind of shimmer to it. True to Coca-Cola coloring. That metallic shimmer is kind of nice. It is a matte finish as well, so there's no fingerprints back here. You'll see your Type-C connector for 33-watt charging on the bottom, an analog headphone jack, power switch, and I believe also fingerprint scanner in this location. Symmetrical layout for your front-facing camera, which is in the center of the display. And I just kind of want to try out this bottle cap sim tool. Boom. Expandable storage there as well. We're gonna have a power brick to actually feed us those 33 watts and then a USB cable to go with it. Transparent case. It's something simple just to get you started out. We have the Coca-Cola logo one more time and we can actually feel the texture there as well. Oh, wow. The Coca-Cola theme goes into the phone and into the software. We have a custom icon pack, weather, files, theme store, app market. I mean, a custom phone icon, even a dedicated Coke button for photos. Wow. They've actually done a custom icon for a whole variety of things. Clone phone, recorder, screen lock is a Coca-Cola lock. The background is actually looking like the inside of a Coca-Cola bottle. Let's see if we have any special sounds. I don't know about you guys, I'm getting thirsty. I don't know about you guys. Oh. That one's called Open Happiness, Open Cola Bubbles. Oh, the fit. Oh man, that's nice. Such a satisfying sound. Oh, and I charge it, it goes cokey. Let's check the recharge, because it's one of my favorite things to do. What have they done here? The bubbles. Ultra fast charging, SuperBoost 33 watt, and my giant Coca-Cola bubble is getting more bubbles. You could obviously switch these, by the way. If you want to uncoke your phone, which would be crazy because you have a limited edition Coca-Cola phone, but you could go in and kind of put whatever icons you want and whatever wallpaper, theme, etc. But of course, you got to leave it in Coke mode. All right, let's go ahead and test the speakers on this baby with a little episode of Lou later. Ooh, it's loud. Stereo. Coming at you live in stereo. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the show. You see the way that Willie Doo edits from the black and white, the fade into color? Watch this. Watch, Jack. It's like Wizard of Oz over here. Did you see that? Did you see that? Is that smooth or what? We definitely have to take if we're gonna take a photo, we've gotta take a photo of this guy. Look at that guy. Look how cool that guy is. He's like a solidified Coca-Cola Real Me cat. That's what he is. Main cam doing, woo! That's Cokie. You know what I like about this guy? I like his posture. He's just standing like, what do you want from me? You know what I mean? Main cam pixels. You wanted them. You wanted some pixels and you got them on the main cam. The zoom, you know what? You're still okay. Oh yeah, selfie. You want one of those? I can oblige. No to your beauty. I do not want, wow. I had a 40% beauty on from the jump. I'm gonna go for a 0. 16 megapixel selfie. Chuka news. That's when you're in trouble with an Italian grandmother. Let's see how the side-mounted fingerprint works. I don't mind, by the way. Like, I never really had an issue with the side-mounted. I found them to be responsive in the past. And by the way, you hold the phone this way anyway. Like, that's where your thumb goes. I also register the middle finger on my left hand in case I'm holding in my left hand. And a recommendation of face unlock, which is optical and I think pretty quick. Look at that. The registration is so fast. Done. All right, so let's try fingerprint. Bingo. Now let's try face. So we're not gonna use the thumb. It doesn't see me, then it does. It doesn't see me, then it does. It doesn't see me, then it does. So yeah, it's gonna do all your smartphone stuff. It's just gonna do it in Coca-Cola styling with the limited edition for those that are enthusiasts, either of the Real Me brand or the Coca-Cola brand. People who might want to even collect this thing because it is such a unique collaboration and I really like the way they put it together. I like these little extras enhancing the unboxing experience. I like the way they put the metallic finish over here. And of course, we got the certain special items to go with it. Actually, I just noticed we have this on the table too, which Coca-Cola has sent some pretty wild stuff in the past, including Unbox Therapy branded Coca-Cola. So they do some fun stuff in the branding department, and this just takes things to another level. Never thought I'd see a Coca-Cola branded Android smartphone. Today's the day, thanks to Realme. That is the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition. And remember, we do have an extra one to give away, and it's still sealed up. All you gotta do is leave a comment on this video and let me know who wins the challenge. Is it Coke or Pepsi? Do you prefer Coke or Pepsi? Let me know in the comments and I'll pick one person to win this sealed limited edition Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition.